The first step of the JetPeel jet pressure energy treatment is the lymphatic massage. This step is performed with approximately 18 milliliters of JetCare Hydro. A lymphatic massage with JetPeel is a gentle, relaxing jet pressure treatment that massages the lymph nodes, detoxifying the skin and stimulating microcirculation. It improves skin appearance and preps the skin for JetPeel exfoliation and infusion. When performing a lymphatic massage with JetPeel, hold the triple jet handpiece 4 to 7 centimeters away from the skin at a 90-degree angle. Maintain a steady, consistent pace at all times. Let's begin. Start at the left collarbone next to the base of the neck and perform a small swirl motion. Repeat 3 times. Position the triple jet handpiece slightly above the collarbone and move it in a short sweep towards the neck. Repeat 3 times. Start at the mid-base of the neck and move in a gentle zigzag line toward the shoulder. Repeat the process 3 times. Perform this action twice more, starting further along the left side of the neck each time, and repeating 3 times. This step follows the same motion as step 3. This time, move the triple jet handpiece in a straight sweep rather than a zigzag motion. Repeat the process 3 times. Position the triple jet handpiece at the base of the chin. Move along the left jawline in a gentle zigzag motion, then sweep down the side of the neck along the collarbone area and out toward the shoulder. Repeat 3 times. In this step, follow the same line as step 5, from the base of the chin along the jawline, down the neck, and along the collarbone. This time, keep a smooth, sweeping line rather than a zigzag motion. Repeat 3 times. Position the triple jet handpiece at the base of the cheekbone. Sweep down in a semicircle motion toward the jawline and up toward the base of the ear. Then down the neck in a slightly rounded motion down along the collarbone. Repeat this motion, starting in the middle of the cheekbone and ending at the collarbone. Then follow with the same motion from the highest point of the cheekbone. Repeat this threefold action 3 times. Start at the bridge of the nose, next to the eyebrow. Sweep along the eye socket, down the temple and cheek, and up to the base of the ear. Then move down the neck and out toward the collarbone. Repeat 3 times. Perform the same motion, however, this time, start at the side of the nose, beneath the eye. Repeat 3 times. Start in the center of the forehead, close to the hairline. Move in a gentle zigzag motion along the hairline, then sweep down the temple to the base of the ear, down the neck, and out toward the collarbone. Repeat 3 times. This step follows the same line as step 10. However, sweep along the hairline with a straight motion rather than a zigzag motion. Follow down the neck and out to the collarbone. Repeat 3 times. Begin at the tip of the chin and sweep along the jawline toward the base of the ear. Repeat 3 times. Then move down the side of the neck and out toward the collarbone. Perform this motion twice more, each time starting at a slightly higher point on the jawline. Repeating 3 times. Start at the tip of the chin and sweep down the side of the neck and out toward the collarbone 3 times. Repeat this motion, starting midway along the jawline between the chin and the base of the ear. Repeat 3 times. Then do the same motion starting at the edge of the jaw near to the ear. Repeat 3 times. For the final step, perform a small motion from the center of the left collarbone toward the center of the neck. Repeat 3 times. Now that you completed the left side, mirror the steps on the right side. Total time for this step is between 10 to 15 minutes.